Hey guys, Travis with MetaTCG here. In one of our previous videos, I showed off our Magic the Gathering inventory and how organized that is and all the different drawers that we have for our storage system. And we had some comments about our Yu-Gi-Oh! And our Pokemon inventory, so in today's video I'm going to show that off a little bit. But back to the Magic inventory, these are like crazily labeled. The Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! Inventories are not nearly as labeled. Our inventory is a little bit smaller for these two card games. These two drawers here on the left are Yu-Gi-Oh! And these two on the right are the Pokemon inventory. For Yu-Gi-Oh, the easiest way that we found to inventory all these is actually by the set code. So on every single card in Yu-Gi-Oh, there is a little set code on the right side of the card. So on this one, for example, it's AP05. That stands for Astral Pack. We found that it's easiest just to label it by Astral Pack, so by AP05, rather than labeling it by the set name. We do have that information on each of our dividers. But the easiest way to find these is by the set code. So that way, if you pick up a card that needs to be inventoried, you can immediately go find the set code and the edition. All that information is there, ready for you to go ahead and just slide the card in, that kind of thing. So, and all of this is alphabetized. So obviously B's are way up here, and in these drawers that are, down towards the bottom, these are the S's all the way down to, I think it goes as far as there's a Z set. Yeah, for Z10. So all the way back down to Z. And then there's one final drawer for our LP cards. Currently, the inventory is not quite large enough for LP cards for it to be worth us to sort this by set. So currently this is just alpha sorted, and it is true alpha sorted, so there's no question of finding the card in here. It starts with SA, for example. That would be at the very front. For example, Sabersaurus is at the front of the S's. And so on and so forth. So, and then we've just got one line of MP cards, one small section of HP, and then some damage cards here on inventory that we've got. So, but in any case, that closes off the Yu-Gi-Oh! Inventory. For Pokemon, Pokemon is probably our least meticulously sorted of the three card games. But the idea is we are going to get our sets to look like this divider through and through. We like having the set name as well as the set symbol on each of the Pokemon sets. So that's the goal on all of these. Each of these Pokemon cards has a little set symbol in the bottom right. And we'd like to get the set symbol on each of our dividers, so that way we can identify them by that. So that makes things a little bit easier. But otherwise, all the sets are just notated by the set name. So it's Ancient Origins, over to Arceus, Aquapolis, Astral Radiance, so on and so forth. That goes through the alphabet all the way through to the U's. We've got Unleashed, was like the last few sets, Undaunted, and so on and so forth. And then we do have another set of drawers over here, again, for LP cards. These are sorted the similar ways. Some of these are handwritten dividers, but for the most part, we intend to get these set up with the set code and the set symbol, such that it's easier to find. But for now, this is a little bit more of a work in progress in comparison to our other two card games, but it's still very easy to find the cards that we have here. In any case, if you guys enjoyed, want to say thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and we'll see you guys next time.